expected out of every vehicle, and if you have found that the time has come to swap your rotors on your 1997 through 2006 TJ Wrangler with the TerraFlex rear disc brake conversion kit, this TerraFlex rear disc brake rotor will be just for you. Now this will be a solid replacement if you're looking to keep true to the conversion and stick with the components that originally came from the kit, whether you are looking for an affordable choice or one that you're not going to have to second guess thanks to the reliability that this is going to offer you. Now, will also be a great choice if you're looking for an improvement in braking performance from your current worse for wear set that you currently have, offering you a boost in confidence when you're driving your TJ, whether you're taking it off-road or you're sticking to the street. Now, while I would normally say that this is going to have a factory style construction or design, since the TJ came with drum brakes from the factory, it's far from the factory setup. However, this will be very similar to other TJ disc brake rotors. Now, just like you most likely experienced when you added the conversion kit to your TJ, this is going to improve the performance, add the extra bite that you need when you are braking, especially if you have a heavier build or a high performance setup that does need that extra bite, while also remaining comfortable with its well-built construction. Now, speaking of that construction, this will include one blank face rotor made of a cast iron build. Now, these are also going to be completely mill balanced for optimal heat dissipation, which is going to improve the performance and efficiency of your braking system and a comfortable ride, and will also be compatible with the internal parking brake. This will also have a dual bolt pattern drilled into the face of the rotor. One is going to be for a 5x4.5 bolt pattern and a 5x5.5 lug pattern, depending on which axle that you're running in your setup. I do also want to mention again that this will only fit the TerraFlex rear disc brake conversion kit, but if that is kept in mind, it will be a direct bolt-on install with no questions asked. Now, when it comes to the price, this singular rotor will come in at about $100. So if you do need two, you will be looking at about double that price point. Now, comparing it to others in the category, this will only fit the TerraFlex kit, and it will keep it fairly affordable at the same time. Now, there are other higher performance looking options, but if you don't want to question when it comes time to replace it, you don't want to do any modification, and you're stoked about the increase in performance that you did get from the conversion kit originally, you just have to do a little bit of maintenance here, then this is going to be for you. Now, when it comes time to install this is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, very similar to a regular brake job, and it's probably familiar to you already if you have installed that conversion kit yourself. Now, I would say front to back, it's probably going to take you about 2 hours to get the job done with the right hand tools. So that's going to wrap it up for my review of the TerraFlex rear disc brake rotor fitting all 1997 through 2006 TJ Wranglers with the TerraFlex rear disc brake conversion kit, and you can find this right here at extremeterrain.com.